If you could keep only one Sika product in your entire toolkit, this is it. The Sika Latex Super. It is famous for fixing falling concrete, but did you know it's one of the most effective waterproofing products on the market? Today, we're going beyond repair to show you how to use this for total moisture protection. Spalling concrete is a common problem in beams, slabs, balconies, and columns, especially where moisture and corrosion are involved. In this video, I'll show you how Sika Latex Super can dramatically improve concrete repair performance by increasing durability, bonding strength, and resistance to cracking. भले आप contractor हो या self home owner, ये method best है. Concrete spalling happens when moisture reaches the reinforcement steel, causing it to corrode and expand. This expansion creates internal pressure, leading to cracking, delamination, and surface breakoff. Simply patching the surface isn't enough. You need a repair system with strong adhesion and flexibility. Standard concrete is like a sponge. It has tiny microscopic pores that let water through. When you add Sika Latex Super, the SBR polymers act like a liquid plug. They fill those pores, creating a dense, water-resistant barrier that stops seepage while letting the structure breathe. Sika Latex Super is a synthetic rubber emulsion used as a bonding agent and a mortar modifier. When added to cement-based repair mortars, it improves the bond between old and new concrete, increases tensile and flexural strength, reduces shrinkage cracking, and enhances water resistance. That is why it is a reliable and effective solution for spalled concrete repairs. For waterproofing small areas like balconies and sunken slabs, start by removing all loose, weak, or contaminated concrete until you reach solid material. Clean exposed reinforcement steel and remove rust if present. Finally, wash the surface thoroughly and leave it saturated surface dry. No standing water. Mix Sika Latex Super with cement to create a creamy bonding slurry. Apply it with a brush to the prepared concrete surface. Now mix your repair mortar using Sika Latex Super diluted with water, following Sika's recommended ratios. This modified mortar provides superior adhesion and flexibility. Apply it firmly, compacting well to avoid air pockets, and finish with a trowel. Protect the repairs from direct sun, wind, and rapid drying. लंबे समय की टिकाऊ मजबूती के लिए पूरा इलाज होना जरूरी है. From repairing structural beams to waterproofing your home's most vulnerable corners, Sika Latex Super delivers. It's cost-effective, easy to use, and is backed by Sika's global technology. When done correctly, Sika Latex Super's repair lasts longer, resist cracking, and outperform standard patch jobs. भरोसे का दूसरा नाम, Sika Latex Super. देश विदेश के हर ठेकेदार, सलाहकारों की जुबान पे इसी का नाम.